Hello everyone, welcome back to TechLock YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can delete your Messenger account. So for that, first of all, you need to open the Messenger application. You need to be logged in to move forward with the deletion process. So once you're at the home page, you need to tap on the profile icon on the top left, tap that. From there you scroll down to the very bottom and tap on account setting. Once you're at the account setting, you scroll down and tap open the your information. There inside your information, you need to tap on account ownership and control. Tap that option. Here you need to tap on the second option, that is deactivation and deletion. Tap that. So there are two options of how you can delete the Messenger account, that is by deactivating it. That means you will be able to reactivate it whenever you want. And the second is to delete the account. In second option, you will be deleting the account permanently and will not be able to log in anymore. To delete your Messenger, you will need to permanently delete your Facebook account. When you delete your Facebook account, your Messenger or the message information on the Messenger application will also be permanently deleted. So what you need to do is tap on the continue to Facebook account deactivation and deletion. Tap that option. Here you need to tap on delete account, tap on continue to account deletion. Over here you need to provide the reason for why you are choosing to delete your Facebook account. Tap on the reason, tap on continue to account deletion. So before you delete your account, you need to go through all the information that Facebook has provided to you. Once you have gone through all, you scroll down to the bottom and tap on delete account. For the final process to delete it, you need to provide the password. Type in the password. Once you have typed in, you need to tap on continue, and with that the account deletion process will be completed and your Facebook account, that is as long as with the Messenger account, will be deleted. It will take around 30 days time period to completely permanently delete your account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLock YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.